we are going to create this nice looking app in React 3 Fiverr. And here, what is that? Like, it's totally 3D. I can hover over here and see all of them are performing animation. Even I can move it like this, and you can see this nice world. So we're going to do all of this thing in React Fiverr. I can move it somehow like this. I can go round and round, and whenever I hover, so they all do some animation. So this is very easy to do in React Fiverr. React Fiverr has changed the way 3JS is been worked upon. Okay, so it has totally changed the way that 3JS has become very easy. 3JS was there for a long time, but due to React 3 Fiverr, it has become very easy to use. So we'll do that thing. So what we are going to do, we are going to take a boilerplate code. Like, it's not a completely very, it doesn't have a lot of things, but it has got React 3 Fiverr setup. So I will give the link also, and this is from a person who has got this React 3 Fiverr white starter kit. So I'll go here and do like copy this thing, and then we will start, and then maybe I will close this thing which is already there, and I will go to the, maybe the desktop. I will go here and git clone and cloning. Oh, okay. Three Viber. Maybe I will name it something different, like React 3 Fiber Portal. I'll name it React, not Ref. It is not React. It is not Ref. It is React 3 Fiber Portal. So yeah, so our 3 Fiber Portal I'll do, and I will do a code. So it is created through White. White is the nowadays nobody create through create reactive. Everybody created through White and all. So it is through White. So White is like similar to create reactive, but it is much more lighter and it starts much more quicker. So that is the thing with White. So let us go through this bit, and what I will going to do is here. So let us see, white config is there, and then the package.json is already, some of the things are there because everything keeps on changing nowadays. If you don't take this package, maybe something will break. So React 3 Fiverr is there, React 18.2 is there, and all those things are there. And then the source here, there is something known as main. It starts from main, not from index. So they've created something different. And this app.js is there. Here I have a canvas. Okay, I have a simple canvas. Canvas is from React 3 Fiverr. This canvas is there, and React 3 Fiverr, and through that we are going to see some of the things. And then I have got this experience which is there in this component, which is showing some box geometry and all those things it is showing. Okay, so let us add everything, and we are going to use yarn, not npm. Here you can use npm also, but I'll do a yarn. So it is like npm install, npm I, you can do instead of this npm install also. So yarn will install all the packages because we need the node modules here. So it will install it, and then let it install. So I'm streaming, so maybe it's a bit slow, but it's okay. Okay, it is installed. Then instead of like here, let us see in the package.json how it is starting. It is starting with the dev command. So if you are on npm, you will run npm run dev. But what I will run yarn dev. I run yarn dev, and it will open in the same port. Okay, so it will open in the same port. See, this is the basic structure which I was telling. Simple queue is there, which you can do. So this is starter kit you can get from React 3 Fiverr site also. Okay, so this is what it is been shown. Like, it start from app.js, as I was telling. We have a canvas, we have an experience, background is there, and then this experience we have all these things like box geometry, and all these things are there. Again, they are from React 3 Fiverr. Orbit controls and all these things are there. Okay, so now the thing is that we need a background in that in the demo. You might have seen like demo in the starting, the background was there. We need two things. We need the background and the model. So from background, where we can get, okay, background we will get it from here. Okay, not blockade lab. Okay, so there is a thing called BlockadeLabs. So again, they are like this. The complete rotatable background, it is there, and here you can configure your world by doing this conjure your world. So they are telling it conjure your world, and then okay, I have to do this thing. confirm I will do, get started. And what you can do, you can do something like create something from it, anything you can write. So I will write, okay, I will write there, giving the pop too much, water world. And you should do it differently. Okay, so you can do different things. Okay, some of these things they are like asking to be paid, so these all things are to be paid, and they're increasing it. Some of them are paid, but a lot of them are free. So I'll do the serial, and I'll do the generate, so it will generate something for me. Okay, so, and this is up to you, can generate anything. Okay, you can generate anything. So I've already generated three worlds. So those three worlds I will put, and generate three words, any three words, whichever you like. It is like this, you can generate, and you can then see the surreal world. And you can also do this enhanced prompt and all those things you can do. And anything you can write, lava world, water world, and this world it will generate. Okay, so it's a 3D world, it will generate, and then you can use it. And you can also use the anime one, like it's animation kind of a thing. Then technocore, a cyberpunk, a lot of things are there, a lot of things are free also, so you can use those things. And then after that, I think if you log in, then you can okay, you can download it. Okay, you can directly download also, you can directly download it, it will give you a jpg file and all. So as I've told, I have already done that thing. So this inside this public folder in React, if you put anything in the public folder, it is easily accessible. Okay, so that's why I will put it inside the public folder. I will have texture, a folder known as texture, and inside this I will have this and I'm art. Okay, so this, see, these are a bit different. Okay, and I'm art style and surreal world. So I have done all these things. And the GitHub at the end, if you don't want to create it on your own, then take it from there also. Okay, so that is there. And now the next thing which we are going to do is first change the experience. Okay, first change the experience. So we'll go here, and because experience is the thing which is coming from the app.js experience, we'll go and let us use one of the world. Let me open this also, so that you can see like this. So real world, maybe I will use this one. So I'll go here in this experience and do const map equal to use texture is again from React 3 Fiverr, and then textures textures and tutorial water. Let me do one thing. It's always better to I don't want to move it to crash rename, and I will take it from here directly. Okay, so like this, surreal water world I have taken. So map equal to this. Then a white application is running. Let me close this thing. A white application is running, orbit worlds and all. So box geometry I don't want, mesh normal I don't want, I want something different. Okay, so for this I will come here and do a sphere sphere geometry. I will add some parameters soon. And the other thing I will put is the mesh standard material map equal to map, like this. I'll put, so the map you have to put it here and save it. So something black like thing is happening. So for that, what we need to do is ambient light I have to do. And nothing will happen. Okay, so something is happening because I'm able to see this thing. Okay, I'm able to see this thing. It's a complete globe, and I'm able to see this is light. This is good. So ambient light with this, because earlier it was totally black. Then intensity also will give. I'll make it 0.5 like this and save it. So it is will be bit darker. Okay, it will be a bit darker. So now the other thing which we are going to do is like here the sphere, we can pass arcs to it, arcs equal to like this, and then 1 comma 32 comma 32, save it. So the sphere, we are making it much better with this. Okay, so the sphere is there, it is looking nice and all. So see, so this is how cool reactive fiber is. With reactive fiber you can have this nice 3D things everywhere. Okay, so that is there. Now let us do a bit more here, and arcs, I will make it 5, and I don't want this square to be there, so I will use something else here also. Import star as 3 from 3. Okay, like this it is there, and then I will pass the side equal to 3 dot backside. Okay, so this all the things are there. Okay, 3 dot backside. I will save it. Now I have a complete map. Okay, so I have a complete map. So for this only I have done. Okay, so you can read about these things like what, why I have given this 5 and all. So if you want to show the complete map, not a sphere or something like this, you have to do like this. Okay, so now we are able to do this thing. Now the next thing is that I'll go back to the app.js. I'll change my camera position. Color background, I don't need this thing, so I'll remove it. And bam, camera position, I will make it 0 0 10. Save it. Okay, so what happens now, in the start only we get the camera set here, so that is the main thing which we have done. Camera set here, we need that thing. Now the next thing are the monsters, so we have to get the monsters. So monsters also, again I will provide all these links. So monsters is from here. Okay, so monsters is from here, a site is there, and you can download this monsters from here. So I've already downloaded it, and it will give a lot of files, and you can click any monster. Okay, so even this site is very good, like not only monster, you can get a lot of other things also from here. A complete set it gets, like it is for a game or something, you can do it. Okay, so that is there, and we have, but we have not taken all the monster, and it's gives us something like known as the gltf file. Gltf files are generally made in Blender. There is a thing known as Blender for 3D models. It is made in that. If you know Blender, you can create your own 3D models, and then you can create a lot of magic. You can create. Okay. If you know Blender, you can create a lot of magic. Okay, so that is there, but we don't know Blender, so we have to take it from here. So here in this public, I will take, as I've told, I've already chosen 3 models, so I will take it from there in this public. Okay, so the models are like this: 3 models: Mushroom King, Tribal, and Yeti. The 3 models that you should choose a different models from this. Okay, so that will be much better for you. So what happens with this gltf files which you get in React 3? So any React 3 project you'll go, you'll have this. You have to have this gltf files for those models and all those things. So what I am going to do here is I'm going to do maybe a control K here and open this, and there is a command which you need to paste. Okay, npx, it is npx, so you don't need to install anything. Npx gltf jsx gltf jsx public models, and let us do for the yeti.gltf dash o. The command should be exactly like this, and then src components yeti.jsx. Okay, so this is something which we are going to create. So src component yeti.jsx and dash r and public, like this I do. So this is the whole command. So it will ask me to proceed. Yes, I will do, and enter, and let it be done. So it will create a file known as yeti.jsx, and this is always whenever you're using reactive fiber, you'll use this library called gltf.jsx. You'll use these things and you will create it. So okay, so that is it. Okay, auto generate it is coming, and see this, it is have the whole of the file is been created. So this is a totally animated file which has been created, totally animated file. You're going to see that thing. So how we are going to use this thing, it is very nice. So but it has got the function model. Okay, so I will change it to yeti, because it will always name it model, so it's better to change it to the file name, because in react you should generally have the same thing. Okay, so I will have this as yeti. I will save it, and then I will go to this experience, because from here only I have to call it. Okay, so this experience I'll go, and then here after this orbits control I will do yeah, yeti. I will call the yeti file, and then scale equal to 0.6, position y equal to -1. Okay, so don't want to show the yeti on the surreal water. I want to show it in something else. There are some other worlds also, so it is not showing the name. It's better to take it from here. I want to show it in this one. Okay, I want to show it in this one. Okay, see now the yeti, the scale I have changed, the position also I have changed a bit. So the yeti is being shown, see, nice on the top of it, and I can go round and round, go round and round. Okay, so like this I can go round and round and see the yeti. Okay, so that is done now. But we'll do one more thing here, is that I'll go to this yeti, and there is this actions is there. Okay, so I will console log this actions, because I want to see something like actions. I will console log this actions. I will save it. Okay, now, okay, sometimes it is very difficult to open the console log in this kind of things. I've seen this issue a lot, because we work a lot on these things in my office also. So what we need to do, open this thing and inspect ahead of seeing this thing. Okay, inspect ahead, and then you open the address like this. So now the console will be there. Okay, so see the yet 13.10 it is coming, and then all the different things which it has got is coming, like dog, that, all these things it is coming. Okay, so we will keep a notice of this thing, and I will close it. So that is there, and now what we are going to do, we are going to use some react now. So proper react, this is also react. Okay, so I'll do use effect, I'll call, and then actions And when the action is idle, is also going to state idle dot reset dot fade in 0.5 dot play, like this. Okay, fade in 0.5 dot play, and then when it is idle, will fade in and play. And then there is a return. So in use effect, you might know this is like a component will unmount. So it is unmounting the thing. Then it is actions idle dot fade out 0.5. Okay, so like this it is there. So, and it will of course call only in the component did mount. Okay, component yeah, component did mount, it will be called like the component did mount, it will called once. Okay, so like this, when you give like this, so to have the controls, this is not, see this when it is idle, it is doing this fade in thing. Okay, so and it is playing it after every 0.5 seconds. Okay, it is playing it every 0.5 seconds, so that's why this animation is coming here. Okay, this animation is coming. Now we don't have to show it in the whole screen. Okay, we want to show the Yeti in a rounded box, which can be moved, not like this completely. We don't want to show. If you want to show it like this, it is okay, it is okay. You want to show it like this, and as I told you, instead of Yeti, you choose something else, and you can see the action of it. We'll soon use some other action also for the Yeti. Okay, so here we'll go back to the experience.jsx file, and here I will, this ambient light and all these things are okay. So okay, so instead orbit light, but Yeti I have to move it inside, so I will wrap everything in something known as a rounded box from React 3.5 rounded box. I'll wrap everything, and then gsargs equal to 2 comma 3 comma 0.1 is there, and then here I will come and mesh portal material will be there, and then it will be like this, and inside this mesh portal material I will move all of these things, Yeti, and this, and this, all these things will be putting here. I will save it. I'll save it, and where it is there, ambient line orbit rounded box. Okay, mesh portal material. One more thing we have to do, mesh portal material. We have to pass something in the mesh portal material, or else it will not come. I'll have to pass the side equal to 3 dot double side, 3 dot double side. Okay, 3 dot double side I have to do. Then it will be here, but it is all black. I don't like black, all black. Okay, so let me see. I think I've given something wrong. Zero point 0.5, it is rounded. The box is 2, 3.1. Okay, so I know what I have given. We have missed this ambient light. We want to see this lighting thing is very important. So we want some ambient light is going now outside. We want the ambient light on the Yeti also. So we have to go here again, do a ambient light, and now it is all white. Intensity equal to 1. Save it. Now it is coming in the rounded box and showing as we want. So our main thing is done. Now we only have to show two more. So that is the thing which we are going to do. So the thing is that we will also update this. We'll also update this thing so that we can pass this thing. So we will refactor the code a bit. So what we are going to do here, after this return and all, we will create another component. We can create a component here also in React instead of creating it in another file. If you want, you can create it in another file also. I've created here. So I'll go here and do a const monster stage equal to run comma texture comma dot props. So like this I've created. Now we'll have a const. So this texture. So first thing is that when we are refactoring this thing we are going to do. Okay, const map equal to use texture, and then this will be this texture which is there. Right. Then we'll have a return. This return we will first we will have to take this props which is like everything. Okay, so gro up group, and then I will have a dot props. I'll have a dot props, and then I will go here and do this rounded box and like this. Okay, so this rounded box I put three dot double side ambient light, and this yeti is again something which we are going to pass. So I will cut it, and this will be the children. This will be the children. Okay, so this will be the children. Rest of the things are like this only. Okay, this will be the children. Now I will go here and call the monster stage like this. I will pass the yeti here as a children prop, and the texture and the props I am going to like this. Actually this dot props will come later on. So I will pass the texture equal to this thing. So I can remove this thing because we don't need it here. So texture equal to this thing we are passing. Props as I told we are going to use later on. Children yet is coming as there. And so what happened? Yeah. So it is coming perfectly. So we're refactored it. Now what we can do, we can pass different monster here, and we can use them. Okay, so the different monsters we can pass. So let us do it quickly. So we'll pass it three times. So let yeti only comes three times. Later on we'll have like a different thing. Okay, so first one, let us do one thing at least. At least change the world. So first one, let it be this. Copy will copy, I don't know. Copy this one. It's copying the complete thing. I don't need the complete thing. And it's okay. So real world I will do. Second one is this lava world. Okay. So this lava world also I am copying, and then this cactus forest is there. Okay, so but the another thing is that, like I was telling, that we are going to pass some more props. If I save it here, so you'll not see, everything will be on top of each other, so everything is at here only, so I'm not able to see the other one. So I want to see the other one here, and one, one to the left and one to the right. I want to see. Okay, so how I can do it? First one I'll keep at this, that like this surreal world will be as it is. So here I will go and do position dash x equal to minus 2.5, and rotation y is mat dot pi divided by 8. Okay, mat dot pi divided by 8. Okay, so now that is done, and okay, so let me copy this thing, and we'll pass this thing in also in the monster stage like this, and this will be 2.5 x, and y is mat.py divided by 8. Okay, now I'll save it, and now I'm able to see all the three. But the problem is that this yeti is been shown in only the third one. Okay, so we will have to change it a bit. Scale and all density. My x is minus 2.5, minus y rotation. Okay, so one more thing, it will be a minus. The last one is a minus. So see, now it is like from here it is coming, and it is from here it is coming, here and here. So that is like this. This is the thing which we have done. So see, you might have seen this thing, right? So this, all these things you can do. Okay, so that's why this minus was been given. So that is done. Now we don't want to have the yeti. We have two other models also. So we have to give the command for them, of course. So I will use the earlier command only. So yeti.jsx is there. The second one will be known as trial tribal. There is a file called tribal.gltf. So I'll go here and do a tri. As I've told you, you can choose some different models also, because it is completely free to use that model. Okay, so the complete command, you can see the complete command. Okay, so enter. Okay, so maybe the tribal is created. Yeah, tribal is created. Let us create the last one. Last one is known as, see, I'm taking this mushroom king. So I will go here and I will name it mushroom king mushroom king. Okay, mushroom king, I'll do and enter, and it is done. So tribal and mushroom kings are also done. So this I'll name it as tribal. I will name it as whatever is the name of the file, which is, it is better to check it from here. Save it up. So I've saved them all. So no. Let us first add those thing, and then we will use it further. So the first one is yeti will be actually the third one. So the first one will be, so I have put it according to the background, or else it doesn't show as well. So you have to think about that also. So it doesn't mix us with the background. It should come out like the yeti is like coming out. Okay, so that things you have to choose on your own. Okay, so this monster stage is there. I will put tribal here, and This one will be a mushroom king. This one will be a mushroom king, tribal and mushroom king. And this I will actually, okay, sometimes you have to refresh it. So they are a bit big. So what I had done, I have reduced the scale of them only, not the Yeti. Yeti, I think Yeti is perfect. That's up to you. I think, yeah, now they are like equal. Okay. So all the other things are okay. See, this is moving perfectly. So the next thing is that what we want to do is like we want to have the first the idle animation. So it's only the idle animation is coming here. So it's easy. The idle animation is at all the places. So Yeti will go. Even the you should do the console log also. So I'll show one thing like here. Save it. It doesn't comes automatically. Oh, I know the, see, it is not even showing me the error. It is not, there is an error. Okay. You know what is the error? Okay, now inspect is okay. Actually, I wanted the inspect. So what it is not, use effect is not defined. The typical error. Okay. So use effect, but we have not opened the console, so it was not showing us the error. Okay. Use effect. Now it is also okay. So one more thing, actually I have done the thing. So I wanted to show some of the things like what are the actions here for the tribals. There are some actions which you can see that the that the duck. So these are all the actions. Okay, so these are all the actions which are there. I think it is a mushroom king yeti three times it is showing. I know the issue. Okay, so this is, okay, not showing like three times. Okay, so now all these things are there. You can use anything like punch and all these things you can use. I've used some of them, so that is done. So now I want to change when I hover over them. I want to see those actions. And anyways, I will close it because I know what I have to take because I've created it earlier. So you choose whatever you like from the action of. So I'll go here, and first thing is that I will have a state here. So const forward comma set forward equal to use state false. Okay, use state false. I will save it. So now we are going to use it. So we are going to use it like here in the monster state. I'll pass this forward and set over both of them to this monster state. Okay, from here I'll pass it. So hovered equal to hovered and set forward equal to set forward and set forward. I'll pass it here. I will pass it here. Okay, and I'll do it here like this, do it here like this, do it here like this. Save. Okay, so like this, see, now everything is having this idle animation. Everything having this idle animation. Idle animation, I think it was there earlier also. No, no. Yeah. So the main thing is not the idle animation, is the when once you hovered, we need to have the animation. So here we will go, and in the rounded box we'll go and do a on pointer. So it is also showing me on pointer enter equal to like this, and set forward is true, because we are passing this also. Set forward is true, and on pointer leave equal to set forward is false. Okay, so on pointer leave set forward is false, on pointer enter. So these are two events which are there. But now we are not doing anything, like we have to do something here. So on pointer enter and on pointer this, we have to do something. So what something we have to do here? So now our this Yeti, tribal, mushroom king, they're also getting this hover property. So we have to go back and add some things there. So first thing is that I'll go to the mushroom king, and here with props you will also I will destructure it, because we're getting a separate props also, but we don't want to target like get use of this like group thing. I don't want to use it. So I will do like this, and I will get the HOVERED hovered comma dot pass, means the rest of them. Okay, rest of them is there, but I will get, and then I will for the mushroom king in the use effect we'll add the dependency of hovered HOVERED. This is what we do in React. And then in the use effect I will go and do a const anim equal to HOVERED hovered is true. Then I will have a punch and or punch or idle I will have like this. And now it is not idle always, it will be this. So if it is hovered is true, then it will be punch, or else it will be idle. So I need to reset and fade all these things, so everything else will be like that only. So it's better to like copy this thing here in the tribal, copy this thing in the Yeti, and let me do one thing. We'll change it actually. Okay, so hovered and this. Now for the Yeti, so these all things I found it from the console. Okay, so Yeti have a like it have a punch. So Yeti, I'm not going to do a punch, and it does, I think it doesn't even have a punch. I will do a duck, duck. So these actions are there, I've seen this thing. So this Yeti, I will do the duck here, so it will do something like this. Okay, something like this it will do. And now I'll save it. Now I will do this thing, the Yeti, and okay. So in the tribal, I'll do a different thing. In the tribal, I will on hovered, I'll do a WEAPON. So there is something known as weapon. Okay. Oh, I think I forgot to do one thing here. It should be anim here also. So not like the idle, not a hard coded thing. So this thing sometimes happens because I want that to be gone away. So this anim can be different. So that is there. Now we will come here, and it is not working, and something is not working, means I have missed something here. Let us again quickly see something here. So what I just missed, and I will also see. Okay, the best way also is to do the inspect. to the console. So these things are there. So okay, set hovered is not defined. See, console is such a good thing. Set hovered is not defined. Reference error. Set hovered is not defined. Set hovered. And this is set hovered. Set hovered. Okay. So the problem is that I'm not passing it here. Okay. So hovered and set hovered, I'm not passing it here. So that is the problem. So always you open the console, it will give the error whatever is there. We have a comma here. Dot props you have to keep because it was something which was there earlier. Save it. And generally it's always a good idea to do a refresh. Do this. And now it is working fine. So see, all of them are doing different thing. This is a weapon, action, and the thing. Okay, you can also do change something. That's up to you. Like I just want one hover, so I want only whoever I hover it will do, but I have to done it a different way. So this all things are React based things. This all you can do. So hope you liked this thing. So keep looking into our channel, and we are going to prepare some good things like this. A lot of the other things also I'm going to prepare. So a lot of things are coming in the channel, like shift and all those things are soon coming on the channel. So keep here and keep watching, and do like and subscribe if you're not done it yet. Thank you.